How's it going, folks? Just one take I'm doing today, just to explain what I got so involved with this, these last couple days off. The it's just that how you have get days off and you feel like you've been really productive. I don't feel that way this couple days. I don't really have much to show as far as video goes. I've been keeping up on the vlogs, but they've always been kind of late, and I really have been working on things. That's nothing that I could really show on the vlogs, at least not yet. I've been working on doing the Android tutorials. I mentioned that before, and people might ask me, Rich, I thought you were going to get into Blender animation. Why are you getting sidetracked with this tutorial series? Well, I'm a sucker for Java, and the Android does use Java for its programming language. It uses other languages as well, but the tutorial I'm trying to follow is from this. And it's a tutorial from the New Boston. About the only thing that I've had a problem with this, just to kind of show you up front here, this is Eclipse. It's what's called an IDE, where you do your programming and everything. It catches errors and things like that. But about the only problem I've had with this is it gives you an initial program to begin with, and so we say run as Android application. And suddenly, this is the Android emulator, and it's huge, as you can see, right? Now, there's a way of changing this. I'm getting rid of that right now, and you go up to Window, Android SDK, and AVD Manager. You select the emulator that you got installed, and then you hit start. Okay, and it gives you that option to scale display to real size. It initially wants you to do it within the 3 inches, but 6 inches is fine. It's better than the 12 inches plus that it goes on the screen here. And then you go ahead and launch that. And great, there's our emulator. It's right there comfortably on the screen. Alright, run as Android application. Choose that emulator. Okay. And the problem with that, and I didn't see this happen on the tutorial, the problem that I've been having is that, okay, I get done with that. If I try to run another program, or if I run the same program again, it builds up the whole screen. And there isn't a way of saying run as default or anything like that. But, see, isn't that cool? They got your emulator, even has the time there. And this is the initial program that we started working on. This says Hello World starting point. But again, on the tutorials, it stays small. On this one, it goes big again, and it's been driving me crazy. We haven't done any major programming yet. I'm only through the first 5 tutorials, and it makes me I'm slapping silly. But yeah, that's what I've been working on, and I'm not saying that I'm going to do this instead of Blender. In fact, with what I'm going to show on this channel, there's still going to be Blender animations fused along with it. It's just, yeah, I'm working on this, and I've also got Blender tutorials I use that will help me with some of the graphics I place on my channel here. But I'm probably not going to have any tutorials right off the bat with Blender on this channel, because I want to actually start working on projects that make people go, ooh, ah, you know. So, anyway, that's what I've been doing. This is a one take. I hope everybody has a good day, and I'll talk with everyone tomorrow.